Hello everyone, it's me Jeline and here is my 1 week vlog as a college student. So today is Monday and as you can see is tapos na yung first class namin and papalabas na kami ng laboratory. And then after that is pumunta kami sa isang establishment and then bumili ng wrapper for a bouquet, no? And then pagkatapos nun is bumaba na din kami and then umuwi. And then the next day after class is umuwi na ako kaagad sa BH kasi wala naman masyadong ganap. And then pagkadating ko is nagprepare na lang ako for my dinner. And then for the third day, while waiting sa amin niya professor, naisipan ko nga mag-check while sitting on my chair. After ng morning class namin is umuwi na ako kaagad sa aking BH to prepare my lunch. And then after that is babalik naman ako kaagad sa school for my afternoon class sa Bayum Mall. And then the next day is patfit namin and nag-lesson lang yung professor namin about dance. Then after that is pumunta kami sa pharmacy to buy the necessary things for our laboratory sa Cell Mall.